Now, in terms of trade management, so once we're in the trade, is there anything we should do? Well, my greatest concern whenever I'm in a trade is to reduce my risk as quickly as possible. So trade management number one for you guys is move your stop to break even at a predefined point. So how do we do that? Well, when a trade goes in our intended direction, we then want to think about reducing our risk. As soon as the trade has moved halfway to your target, i.e. it's gone 40 pips from your execution price, we will move our stop to break even, which is essentially moving your stop loss to where you got in. However, I have a slight variable on that. I will actually place my stop 1 pip above for buy trades or 1 pip below for sell trades my entry price. The reason for this is it means that I will always make 1 pip profit on every single trade. Even if I get stopped out, I will still make 1 pip profit. Why do I do that? Well, that means that I cover my spread and commission, because whenever you take a trade, there will be a transaction cost taken by the broker. I want to just make sure that I cover that by making a tiny bit of profit, because I don't want that to all add up to reducing my profits at the end of the month. So place your stop 1 pip above your execution level for a buy trade or 1 pip below for a sell trade once your trade has moved 40 pips or halfway from your execution level. So